got to know that to calculate work, we need three things: force, displacement, and angle between force and displacement. Now let us talk about some special cases. Work done by a constant force. Work done by a constant force. Okay. So how to calculate work done by a constant force? How to calculate work done by a constant force? Just a second. So if force is constant, then can you see the screen? What is written on screen?
Yes, sir.
That's the first word.
Hmm.
So
Even
work
that is not.
done.
Yes, that
So
is
work
not
done.
being. Yeah, Chotu, work done. We are about work, so it should be work done. It's not yet visible. Thanks to this whiteboard. I don't know what happened.
So it's visible no done by a constant force.
Chotu, it's not writing anything. I'm trying to write, but it is not picking it up. I'm also waiting. Yeah. So now it's visible. So work done by a constant force. If force is constant, then now pay attention, everyone. W is equal to F vector dot S vector is equal to Fs cos theta. That can also be written as W is equal to F into S cos theta. Okay, and that means force into component of displacement along force, component of displacement along force, component of displacement along force. Okay, this is third method. And then fourth method is W is equal to F cos theta into S, and that means displacement into component of force along displacement, force along displacement. All right, so now let us see how to use all these four methods in any question. How to use these four methods in any question. All right, so I'll be taking up a question which we have done in the last class. Now I'll be solving that question by four methods. Okay, so all of you have noted this much? Okay, good. Good. So the question is,
Sir, can you scroll up?
Sir, can you scroll up?
okay,
Sir, the last one.
I hope you have noted. So the question is quite simple. An object of mass m, an object of mass m is projected from O with speed u making an angle theta with horizontal okay. Find work done by gravity during number 1 OA, number 2 AB, and number 3 OAB. Okay, so basically an object is projected from point O. This is the object of mass m. Okay, and it is going up. You need to find work done during OA, EAB, OAB. Okay, I'll be solving for OA and then I'll be leaving the next part for you to solve. Okay, so method 1 and that is during OA. So basically we are solving the first part. Now pay attention. We are using the method work done W is equal to F vector dot S vector, right? Okay. Now we know that force will be how much? F is equal to mg and F vector is equal to mg minus j cap, and that is minus mg j cap. Force will remain constant throughout. Okay, force will remain constant throughout, that is for sure. Now everyone please pay attention. Your displacement OA vector is basically this vector. Your displacement OA vector is this. Now if you see, this point is 0, 0, this point is r, 0, and this point is r by 2, 0. This point will be r by 2, h max. R by 2, h max. Point A is, Shriv is asking some question, but I'll not be answering
Excuse
it now.
me, sir.
Yes.
So why
Yes.
minus j cap?
Because it is acting vertically downward, Chotu. J cap is in this direction. Mg is acting in this direction. Is it in the direction of J or opposite of J?
So mg is acting downwards, no?
Downward. And J cap is along which direction?
So downwards.
Acha.
J cap is
What is?
positive. Minus j cap is downwards.
Yeah. So that's why we have written is Mg minus J cap.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Okay. So
Yes.
now displacement vector S vector is equal to, pay attention, S vector is equal to OA vector, OA, and that is R by 2 I cap plus H max J cap. This is equation number 2. So how much will be the work done? So work done will be F dot S. F is minus mg j cap dot S vector. S vector is R by 2 I cap plus H max J cap. So W will be, now J dot I will be 0, so minus mg into R by 2 J cap dot I cap plus minus mg into h max into j dot j. Okay, so j dot I will be 0 and j dot j will be 1. So WOA is equal to minus mg h max. If you want, you can put value of h max, so where that will be minus of mg, and h max is u square sine square theta upon 2g. So this is work done during OA. This is work done during OA. All right, everyone. This is by method 1. This is by method 1. Any doubt, any question? Any doubt, any question? Any doubt, any question? Good. Method 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So how minus mg upon r by 2 j cap gets cancelled?
No, it is j dot I. If two vectors are mutually perpendicular, that dot product is 0.
Okay, sir.
I is in this direction and j is in this direction. So they are mutually perpendicular. So that will be 1 into cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Understood? Okay. Okay. It is important to remember what we have done in past. Otherwise, it becomes very problematic. Okay. Method 2. Method 2 is simple. W is equal to Fs
So
cos theta. Yes.
can you show the diagram? I'll take a screenshot of the diagram. I didn't copy it.
For each part, I'll be
Done, sir.
drawing
Thank you.
separate diagram. So W is equal to Fs cos theta, and I am redrawing the diagram for this part again, because there will be slight changes in the diagram according to the method which we are applying. So this is O, this is A, B is not needed to mention, but still we are mentioning it. This is B, this is theta, this is U. Okay. So W is equal to Fs cos theta. Now pay attention. Your theta will be the angle between F vector and so this is your R vector, or you can say S vector, and rather than using here theta, let me use here alpha. Okay, Fs cos alpha, and this is the angle. Just a second. F is in which direction? F is in this direction. Correct. F is in this direction because mg is acting downward. If this angle is, let's say, phi, then this will be phi. Okay. So F is how much? Let me show you. Your F is nothing but mg. S is this distance. S is this distance. This is the displacement. So S is equal to OA. And here alpha is angle between, basically let me show you what is alpha in this part. This whole thing is alpha. So alpha is 90 plus 5. Okay, so let me now put values in the formula. W is equal to F, which is mg, S, which is S, cos 90 plus alpha, cos 90 plus 5, sorry, cos of 90 plus 5. Why?
So
Because alpha
is it
is
necessary to write 90 plus 5 as alpha? You can directly write it, right?
It depends. If you don't get confused, you can write it like that. I am writing it so that you can understand what are the three different things. Theta is the angle with which u has been thrown. Phi is the angle made by displacement vector from x direction, and alpha is angle between f vector and s vector. Okay, all three things are different. I am mentioning all three. So mg is mg, s is s. Cos 90 plus phi is minus sine phi, if you remember. It is minus sine phi. So this becomes minus mg into s into sine phi. Now pay attention. This is your s cos phi and this is your s sine phi. Okay, so s sine phi is nothing but h max. So minus mg into h max. So w OA comes out to be minus mg and h max is u square sine square theta upon 2g. So this is WOA. Please note second method. Please note second method. Please note second method.
So
Noted?
we have to know the final equation only.
Hmm.
We have to know only the final equation. No?
Which final equation?
So WOA is equal to minus mg u square sine square theta
This
by.
is your final answer, but you need to know how we have got the answer also, no?
Okay, sir. That is the okay. Understood, sir.
Next is method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Again, I'm drawing the diagram separately. So this is O, this is A, this is P, this is theta, this is U, all right, and this is M. This is M. Okay. So work done. Now the third method says W is equal to F into S cos theta. So force into component of displacement along force. Component of displacement along force, right? Okay. Now force is mg, we know that. Pay attention. What is displacement? This is displacement. This is displacement. This is displacement s vector, right? Now component of displacement along force. Pay attention everyone. Component of displacement along force is this. Component of displacement along force, because force ka direction is this. F is equal to mg. So component should be along this, and that is h max. That is h max, but their directions are opposite, so minus sign. See whether you are able to understand what we have done is or not. So WOA is equal to force into component of displacement along force. So component of displacement along force is minus H max basically. So our answer will be mg minus is here, H max is u square sine square theta upon 2g. Okay. You might say, sir, this is very easy. It becomes easy with practice. This is method 3. This is method 3. Okay. Good. So this was method 3. Work done is equal to force into component of displacement along force. Method 4.
So that
Method.
component you can explain again.
This is your displacement. Okay. Force is in this direction. This is force. Now you can resolve this displacement into two components. One is in this direction and one is in this direction. This is S, this is whatever, let's say phi, because this is not theta. So this is component perpendicular to force. Component perpendicular to force. Why? Because force is in this direction and this is in this direction. But this is basically component in the direction of force, because force is in this direction and it is in this direction. Understood? Understood?
Okay, so
Take a screenshot and understand this later. I am removing this. Taken? Taken?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next method is, so first of all, let me draw the diagram again. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is theta, this is u, this is a, this is o, this is b. So method says work done is equal to displacement into component of force along displacement. Okay, so this is your displacement, this is your displacement S, and let's say this angle is phi. Okay, so displacement is S. Now pay attention everyone. Force is mg, which is acting downward, right? Now if this angle is phi, this will be obviously 90 minus phi. So component of force along this direction and along this direction. So along this direction it will be mg cos of 90 minus phi. I hope you are able to understand what is written here. It is mg cos of 90 minus phi. Here it will be mg sine of 90 minus phi. Now sine 90 minus phi becomes cos phi. So this will be mg cos phi, because this angle will also be phi. And this will be mg sine phi. Okay. So component along displacement, you can see along this direction, it is mg sine phi. So mg sine phi. But displacement is in this direction and component is in this direction, so one minus sign will be there. One minus sign will be there because s vector is in this direction and component of force is in this direction. Okay. So this minus is here. Now mg with minus and s sine phi. S sine phi we have already done is h max. So minus mg into h max. So WOA will be minus mg u square sine square theta upon 2g. Okay. My suggestion, order, request is to all of you should solve this question once again by all methods after the class. Okay. For better understanding, all of you, all of you should solve this question once again after the class. Okay. Understood? Now I want you to solve third part of the question. Third part means you need to solve work done during OAB. Right now, please solve everyone work done during OAB. Work done during OAB in this question. Please solve.
In any one method.
Try to solve by as maximum methods as you can.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please show the fourth method.
Okay. This was the fourth method.
Sir, are you speaking something?
No. I was not speaking something. I was giving you time to solve the part, C part, by as many ways as possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. Enough time given. Please pay attention. I'll be solving directly by one method, not to waste time. So third part. Now F vector, this is O, this is A, this is B. F vector is equal to mj minus j cap. R vector, this will be R. Okay, so R vector is equal to OB vector is equal to R I cap. So W is equal to F dot S, this is S, is equal to mg minus j dot Ri is equal to 0, and that is WOB, that is WOB, that is WOB. Answer, that is WOB. Okay, okay.
Sir, is it 0?
Yeah, it's O, not 0.
Oh, so WOB is equal to O.
Chotu, what is meaning of work being O?
Sir, that I was asking.
That's why it is 0.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood.
0 joule. Hmm? Okay, understood everyone. Next question. Next question. This is a string. This is a string which is hanging. Mass is M, length is L. Okay. So what happens after that? A force acts and constant force is F. And due to that force,
Sir, can you scroll up, please?
no, Due to that force, the block goes like this. Okay.
So in
And
the
this angle.
previous one, the question is given as OAB. We have solved only OB.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay,
I answered
Chotu.
that.
You are also about to say the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Tell me one thing. What is ROAB and what is ROB? Tell me. Tell
It's
me.
the same.
Obviously.
This,
Obviously. Obviously. So WOB is equal to WOAB. All right.
okay, sir, understood. Sir, and what the second part of the question?
Second part you need to solve during AB. You need to solve in homework. So in this
Okay, sir.
question, a block of mass M, this is situation 1 and this is situation 2. A block of mass M is hanging by a massless string of length L in situation 1. In situation 1, a constant force F acts on it horizontally and take it to situation 2. Take it to situation 2. Find work done by force F. Find work done by force F while going from 1 to 2. Please find. Give me the answer, everyone. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. What you can see is that displacement along force is this much. This is the displacement along force. All right. Now, if this is L, because it is length of the string, this will be L cos theta, because component along theta is always cos component, and this is L sin theta. This is L sin theta. Okay. So what we can see is, pay attention, W is equal to force into component of displacement along force. So force is F and component is L sin theta. So WF, work done by F, will be this much. FL sin theta. All right. Okay, let me give you another question in the same one. IPQ. Find work done by gravity. Find work done by gravity on block as it goes from 1 to 2. Find work done by gravity on block as it goes from 1 to 2. Find work done by gravity on block as it goes from 1 to 2. Please find. Shriv is saying minus FL cos theta. Anson is saying minus MGL cos theta. Ansh is saying this. You all are, समझ जाइए. Pay attention. Pay attention. The displacement of object or block is only this much. The displacement of block is only this much. This much means between this point and this point. How much is this value? This is L minus L cos theta. So work done. So W by gravity is equal to F into L minus L cos. F is mg downwards, so be minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta. You are making mistake in such an easy question. You are not able to understand such an easy question. This is extremely bad. This is extremely bad. You don't even draw the diagram before giving the answer. That's really bad. Because displacement was not L cos theta, it was L minus L cos theta. So work done by gravity will also be force into component of displacement along force, which is L minus L cos theta. So mg into L minus L cos theta with a minus sign, because force and displacement are opposite. Force and displacement are opposite. It was that easy. Next question. Next question. I cannot hear you what you are saying.
So please scroll up.
Okay.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So this is theta is equal to 53 degree. This is 20 meters and this is 5 kg. This is smooth. And the question says find work done by gravity as block reaches the bottom. In previous question, Anson, please pay attention. We are applying the method that work done is equal to force into component of displacement along force. Your force is acting in this direction. So component of displacement along force is this much, which is L minus L cos theta. Because only this much height it has gone up. Only this much height it has gone up.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now get this. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Now, out of various methods which we have, we'll be applying W. W is equal to, because the force is constant, we can apply all these four methods when force is constant. So force is 5G, so which is 50 Newton. Force is 5G, which is 50 Newton. Now, displacement along force is actually this. So force into component of displacement along force. So that is 5G is 50 into 20. Now, if this is 53, this will be 37. So 20 cos 37. So 50 into 20 into 4 by 5. So that comes out to be 800 joule. Answer comes out to be 800 joule. So that is the answer, 800 joule. What other? Why they are not answering? Are they sleeping or what? Why they are not answering? It's quite bad to see that people are not participating in this democratic process. They all should participate. You all should participate. Okay. You all should participate. Next question on your computer screen.
Sir, please show me the last problem. I just lost my connection. So earlier than this.
This is the thing.
So that mass, mass and blocks that other problem, sir.
No. Then I'll be posting this on Teams after the class. Then you see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Pay attention, everyone. This is 53 degree. This is the block M, which is 5 kg, and this is mu is equal to 0.5. This time it is not smooth, and this is 20 meters. What is this? What is this? This is 20 meters. Yeah. So the thing is, find work done by gravity. Find work done by gravity. No, not gravity. Friction. Find work done by friction as block reaches the bottom. As block reaches the bottom. Okay. Please find. Oh, enough time given. Five G because this is 53 degree. 5G sine it's 13 kinetic friction. Kn
So your voice is cracking.
The screen is stuck.
and that
Screen is not
screen is
visible.
Stock and your
20
voice is
newton
cracking.
in this direction.
So your screen is not visible.
The screen is not visible.
Is it visible now?
So it's frozen.
Is it visible now?
So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
yes, sir.
Fk is acting upward as you can see. Please keep your mics muted, everyone. Fk is acting upward. Displacement S is equal to 20 meter and that is down. Fk is up. So work by friction is equal to Fs cos theta. F is 50, S is 20 into cos 180 because angle between force and displacement is 180 degree. That comes out to be minus 300 joule. That comes out to be minus 300 joule. That comes out to be minus 300 joule. Okay. 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 Any doubt, any question? Good. Good.
Sir, how cos 180?
Because force is acting upward and displacement is downward. Block will be going down or up? Block will be going down or up? Down.
Sir, down.
Friction will act upward. So work done will be as cos 180. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Next question. Hmm. Find
Sir, it's 50 Newton or 5 Newton.
50.
Okay, sir.
Find work done by F, comma N and friction on block in 5 seconds. Okay, you need to find the answer. I want all of you to solve this and get the answer. Please attempt. Okay, please attempt. Saleha, you are getting 500 joule.
Yes, sir.
Sohal is saying 3025 joule. OMG, so many people are getting so much of work. Okay, everyone, enough time given. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. 5G is acting downward. N is acting upward. So N minus 5G is equal to 0. So N comes out to be 50 Newton for the block. N comes out to be 50 Newton for the block. Now how much will be friction? So friction will be in this direction. So Fk is equal to mu Kn, 0.5 into 50 is equal to 25 Newton. So Fk comes out to be 25 Newton. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So 25 is in this direction, 50 in opposite direction. So acceleration will be how much? So A will be upon M. So A will be 50 minus 25. This will be F resultant upon mass, which is 5. So A comes out to be, भाइयों बहनों, 5 meters per second square. 5 meters per second square. Now using this acceleration, we can find displacement of block. So displacement of block. Displacement of block. So X is equal to ut plus half at square. We can use this equation because acceleration is constant. So X comes out to be half into A into time is given as 5 seconds, 5 square. That comes out to be 5 into 5 into 5, 125 by 2. 125 by 2 meters. Okay, now story begins. Work done by F. So that will be force, which is 50 into S into cos theta. So 50 into 125 by 2 into cos 0, because force
So
and
have you got
displacement both.
time?
Chotu, given है question में in 5 seconds. You don't read the question. हाँ,
Okay, so
पूरा रामायण खत्म हो गया. अब तुम बोल रहे हो कि सर. Then what you were doing in the question? You didn't even
so
read
no,
the
I
question.
copied half the question. So I did
Copycat.
up the acceleration. I didn't see that 5 seconds.
Copycat. So how much is the total work done? So that will be 6250 joule. That is work done by F. Now let us talk about work done by normal reaction. Now that will be F into S into cos 90. Why? Because normal reaction is acting upward and displacement is in this direction. Both are perpendicular. So that work done will be 0. Work done by normal reaction will be 0. Now comes work done by friction. Again F into S. This is Fk. Okay, let me write it as N. People will be more happy. So Fk into S into cos 180, because friction is acting in opposite direction. So Fk was 25. Fk was 25. Displacement is how much? 125 by 2. Cos 180 is minus 1. Right. So this will be 6175. 6125. 3125. 3125 joule with a minus sign. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. How many of you got all parts correctly? How many of you got all parts correctly? How many of you got all parts correctly? Yeah, Vivek, your answer is coming half in each case. Vivek. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Excuse me,
All
sir.
right. Yes.
Sir,